So your car stinks, but don't worry, we got solutions for about $6-7. Well, my first solution is this right here, the Lucha Libre Mechanic Productions air fresheners will freshen your car up right away. Now, if you don't have one of those, try this next option. In the event you spilled something in your vehicle, like your carpet or your seat, try a half and half solution, equal parts of water and white vinegar, and just scrub off or wipe off wherever you may have dropped something that are neutralized and sanitized. Now, the next solution is in the event you have a cabin air filter, change that out. It's often neglected. I have a few videos on my channel. Check them out. If I don't have a video on how to change yours out, leave me a comment below and I'll find a vehicle just like yours and I'll make a video on it. Now, something that I've used in the past quite a bit are these canisters. They neutralize odors. I have not used Meguiars, but I've used other brands like Armor All and they've worked fantastic. So we're gonna try this one out today. In the event that you have a cabin air filter, make sure you remove it first, then use this, and then replace it, the cabin air filter. Now, to utilize this, all you do is shake it up. Once you shake it up, you turn the vehicle on and you turn on your AC to full cold and recirculate the air and make sure that your vents are all open. After that, you just pop it here. You pop the little trigger on this, it shoots up in the air. You close all the doors, all the windows, and let it run with the AC on full blast for about 15 minutes. And then once it's done, shut the vehicle off, open all the doors up, and let it air out for 15 minutes. It's that simple. All right, stick around. Let's see how this works. Turn the vehicle on. Truck is on. Turn the AC on. You circulate the air. Go in full blast. Now, shake it up. All the vents are open. It's gonna circulate through the vents. Here we go. That's it, y'all. It's pretty simple. Now, I've used these type of canisters for years now. I always buy used vehicles. I've never bought a new vehicle. I'm kind of a Dave Ramsey guy, and I've always had a lot of success with these. The reality is, even after several months, the original smell never really comes back, and they've been really successful. So check them out, try them out. This one here is Black Chrome Scent. That's it. We're all done. Another mechanic tip, unmasked.